This is the whole number test, and here we are working on problem number 8. And the problem states John wishes to pay off his car loan of $4,626 in 18 months. How much will his monthly payment be, assuming he pays the same amount every month? And what we want to do is take the total that he owes, $4,626, and divide that into 18 equal monthly payments. So we're going to take 4,626, divide it by 18, and we get 257, and that would be $257 per month that he would need to pay for 18 months to pay off the total. So we always want to look at a problem like this and ask ourselves at the end, does the answer make sense in this problem? And when we think about $257 a month for 18 months that he would end up paying off this loan, it does make sense to us, and so this is the proper answer.